Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to another color theme series. We are doing orange, okay? Aren't you glad we're doing orange? I know that was so corny. I already prepped and primed my eyes. Oh my gosh, that was so corny. But let's get started on this look. So really quickly about this orange theme for this week. If you're tuning in for the first time, y'all, I've been dressed on my belly. Yes, I am pregnant, and I decided to dress on my belly, and I started off with the yellow theme just to brighten up myself, and then it's just, I was like, you know what, I kind of like this, so let's continue this. Plus you guys get a makeup look, you know, so it keeps me entertained and, you know, motivated to continue to bring content instead of just sitting on my couch and waiting for this baby to happen, you know. So with orange though, this week, orange is one of those colors I like from a distance. I don't like it on me. So I really didn't have any orange clothes, so I definitely took advantage and ordered some clothes off of Shein, Fashion Nova, and of course Amazon. So everything will be a first time impression wear. I think I had like maybe 3 tops in my closet for orange, and like I said, they're tops. I've been trying to avoid my tops right now because they have not been flattering on my body because they don't fit because my belly is big, you know. So I already did my bra bone. My ideal plan is to use this notepad palette by Crown Case. I never used the orange one. Did I use the purple one? I don't think I used the purple one either. How dare I? I used the yellow one, I used the green one, I used the blue one, and they're all beautiful. Yeah, I gotta excuse my child. She is cranky. I don't know what daddy doing to her, but she cranky, so y'all gonna hear her in the background. But I gotta quickly do my eyes because I have a doctor's appointment, and the way I schedule it is I have work and I have a doctor's appointment, and the way this doctor's appointment works, they take forever. I just want to do a quick like 1-2 orangey smoky eye in a sense. So this is what this palette looks like. Really pretty orange shades. Like, ooh, I like the fact that there's like deep shades in here, right here. Like they kind of look like brown shades in a sense. And this neon one is scaring the shit out of me, scaring the crap out of me. Okay, it's crazy when you have to rush and you don't even know what you're gonna do for your look though. What am I gonna do, you guys? The first shade I want to work with is going to be this orange color right here. I don't even really think I have that many like orange makeup tutorials on my channel as well, and I think that's because I'm just scared. Oh my gosh, why can I not talk? Pregnancy, hey. I think it's just because I'm scared of, not scared of orange. I just, y'all know me, I like to coordinate my my makeup with my clothes. It don't have to be like fully on matchy, but some similarities going on to make it work for me. And when I think of orange, I'm like, well, I already don't have that many orange pieces of clothing, so why go for orange? But this color theme has definitely like allowed me to get out of my comfort zone and do looks that I typically didn't do. Like that white look, girl, that was my favorite look. If y'all haven't seen that one, that was my favorite look for my previous color theme, which was white on white. That white smoky all white eyeshadow look, oh my gosh, that's like my new neutral look. So when I need to think of something to do, that one is like really quick and easy. This has like a beautiful like look to it, so beautiful, and this orange is absolutely amazing. So I want to try one of these metallic colors out. So I want to go in with this shade right here. I don't know if I need to wet my brush or not. I'm just going to do it because it's just my preference. Oh, whoa, senorita. Oh, I didn't pick up way too much shadow. Okay, let's tap. I'm just gonna put this on the lid area. Oh, she's a cutie. So because I wet my brush, there's certain areas on this lid where it's like really thick of the eyeshadow, so that's my fault. I got a little too carried away with this eyeshadow, So I'm just trying to smooth it out on my behalf because I got a little too carried away with that. And I did kind of put more in my crease area, and it's just going to help make the blending a lot better. So I'm just going to go with my same brush. I'm not adding any other like eyeshadow product on here. I'm just going to use whatever left on this brush and just blend out this crease and lid area. Now if needed to add more, I will do so, like right now. I kind of want to go a different route with this because the more I'm looking at this eyeshadow palette, it's definitely not just orange. Like this is definitely a matte deep like brown in here. This is giving me brown tan vibes. And then like I said, this one is definitely giving me like a ombre, not an ombre, but like an orangey brown. So I like the fact that it's not just orange eyeshadows in here. Like there's a little bit of mixture, like a deep shade that can kind of combine with orange. And then we have this beautiful gold. I think I'm gonna pop this in my inner because it's like oddball, but it's grabbing my attention. So I just need something to blend out my crease. I'm just trying to debate. I feel like these two colors right here are gonna be too light and bright. So being that the color that I did use, it has a little bit of a brown undertone, I'm gonna go with this tan brown color right here. And let's see if this is gonna actually work to help blend this out. And it is. Okay, cool, sis. So I'm just gonna take that and just blend out my edge area. And this brown has a little bit like a, being that it's an orange undertone in a sense, it looks like I'm putting on a yellow eyeshadow. So this is a really pretty color. And don't worry if you lose some of that dark orange, you can always go back and reapply. Alright, so I'm gonna quickly do my wing liner. This is such a hot mess. It's actually time for me to leave for my doctor's appointment. So I'm gonna have to come back and finish this look. I'm gonna have a mask on, so I'm not really caring about my face being done. I just want my eyes to look presentable. I don't want them to be like, girl, what you got going on? So I'm gonna do my liner, and then I'm gonna do probably my lashes off camera. And then if I do have time, I'll do my foundation, and then I'll come back, finish this eye look up with the lips and the face. Y'all know the combo. Y'all know what to do, so your girl be back. We're super zoomed, and well, not really super because I can get it more, but all right, face is on. I have some Juvia Prepped and Prime on my bottom lash line. I don't think I'm gonna keep it simple with this look. I'll go out and with a banger for the rest of the looks. But today we're just gonna keep it simple. I'm gonna take this. So I have a few colorful looks in mind that I want to do to incorporate the orange. Cause I don't want to do the same, like, what did I do that with? It was purple. I was so mad with Purple Week. I felt like I worked way too much to the point I couldn't get super creative because I was like on time crunch with the timing. So unfortunately I feel like I'm like that again this week. Like I work like the next 5 days. Annoying, I know. Annoying. But I'm going to find the time to get up a little bit more earlier and grace myself. Cause like I'm already back from my doctor's appointment. Y'all make sure y'all check out the vlogs. It's a lot of behind the scenes stuff that y'all don't know that I do, that y'all should check out. But I already went to my doctor's appointment. I took my makeup off and redid it because I did it very sloppy and it was not looking like this. I had creasing, like, not cute. I said earlier I want to take advantage and use this gold color right here. Being that it's a shimmery type of gold, I'm going to apply that right in my inner part. That's cute. That's cute. Okay, so I'm going to finish the rest of my face and pop on some lashes. Alright, so this look was, of course, you know, simple. So I added the lashes, definitely topped it up and gave it a little bit more glam. But I went extra, so I did pop on some bottom lashes. So we're extra dramatic today, okay? Now for my lips, I'm going to do my lips first, and then I'll figure out what to do for cheek-wise. I'm going in with my NYX pencil. Alright, I'm going in with a Live Glam lipstick. This is like a really like different like nude shade. I think if I grab the right one, I'm trying to find the one that has like a little bit like an orange yellow tint. It's really weird, but it's pretty, and I definitely wanted to use it with this look, but I don't think this is the one. I don't think this is her, but we're gonna use it anyway because it's still like a very different like nude shade. I already know I'm about to add my favorite gloss. So juicy. I need to pick up other shades from this because it definitely like gives my lips a little bit of a pink shade, especially if I'm using like a pink lipstick. It enhanced that pink. So being that I'm using this orangey shade, I don't know if it was smart for me to do it, but I started on my lips, so just gonna put that on. Okay, I definitely can see like the orangey tint, and now I had to reapply a little bit more of the lipstick just to bring that lipstick color back into the picture. Now for my blush, I want to go a little bit on the orangey side. So I was about to grab my favorite blush from Bakerie, but I forgot. And I always forget about this, and it's so sad because for one, this costed a lot of money. For two, the shades in here are absolutely beautiful, but it's such a big bulky item that I always forget about it. Yes, this is my Crown Case blush palette. And what made me think of it, because I use Crown Case, of course, the palette for the eyes. I was like, oh my gosh, like I haven't used the blush palette in a while, so I'm going to use that today. This comes in like 3 sheets of pages. It looks like an actual like book binder, which is really cute. So this is the first page, and then the second page, and then the third one. Absolutely beautiful like brushes. Like, oh, I just broke my brush with the French toes. Alright, so let me look into the Book of Magic and figure out what shade range I want to go for. So it's not an orange shade in here, which is really surprising, being at the, oh well, yeah, it is. So I'm gonna go in with the first page, and I'm going in with this shade right here. So if you ever see me in my description box and I say like the Crown Case blush palette and I say page 1 shade blah blah blah, this is what I mean. So this is gonna be abbreviated to page 1 shade number 1, because there's no names in here, so I don't know any other way to abbreviate it when I tell you guys what blush I'm using. I really wish they had names in here. It would have made it a little bit more easier to follow, unless they do have names and I'm blind. But the more I keep looking at them, I don't see any names. I'm a big person when it comes to like naming your things. Like, name your palettes, name your eyeshadows. Like, it just put a little bit more thought process in the product. So just my little thoughts saying, you know, just a little bit, you know. I like when brands do that, whether it's an eyeshadow palette, an highlighter palette, a blush palette, like something that has multiple colors. Like, use some names. I don't care if it's basic, like 1 2 2 4, because sometimes I'd be forgetting to show y'all the shade, and I'd be like, oh, I use shade so and so. So just a little thought process. But these blushes are phenomenal. Look at this, y'all. I'm barely putting any on my brush because these are very pigmented, and especially the shade one that I picked, I don't want to look clowny, so a little goes a long way with these blushes. Look at that, girl. I'm gonna end with this Juvia's palette because I absolutely love this gold shade right here. Like, I don't know if they have this as an actual like highlighter by itself, but I need it by itself. And I know Juvia's got some like loose highlighters I've never tried, but I know they have a gold one. And now that I'm thinking, I wonder if it's something like this, because if it is, I need it. I really don't need it because I got this palette and this is gonna last me forever, but I'm just a hoarder when it comes to my makeup. You already know that. So I'm just gonna pop that on. This is gonna get the look, the compliment that it needs. Y'all, I barely put any onto this brush, barely. To make it melt a little bit better into the skin, I'm just gonna blot it just a little bit. Alright, my love, so this completes the look. I really do hope you guys like it. It's very simple, but yet still, it's cute. It's noticeable. It's flashy. It's orangey. Very orange. And like I said, I'm not an orange girl, but I accept this look. I feel like it's really pretty against the complexion. Everything is just like balancing together. And of course, it goes well with what I have on today. So really quick, it's a very simple outfit today. I just got on a dress. This dress is from Fashion Nova. It's like a tie-dye one. It's kind of like a mid-short one, but it's hot as hell out here. So I don't know how I'm gonna get hoochie-fied for the summer while being pregnant because it's ridiculous on how hot it is already, and this is not our summer weather. Like, we're already in the 90s. It's like, this ain't summer. What's summer gonna be? 150? Girl, pregnant too? Girl. I don't even want to go there. But anywho, thank you guys so much for watching. I really do hope you guys enjoyed today's makeup look. Hope you guys enjoyed today's outfit as well. And of course, we'll be back with another orange you're glad type of look. I'm so corny. We'll be back with another orange banger for tomorrow. So hope you guys have a beautiful day. Stay blessed, stay amazing, and of course, I'll see you tomorrow.